Okay, so this is example 2, and we're going to go using the exact same steps as before. So first thing we need to do is change our boundaries. So you can see the boundaries are currently for x, but we need them to be for our linear transformation, our 2x plus 60. This is called a linear transformation because you can see this is in the form y equals mx plus c. This wouldn't work if in here you had like a quadratic or something. It only works for linear functions. So the first thing we need to do is change our x to a 2x. So then we times everything to get from here to here by 2. So this becomes 0, this becomes 360. And then we actually want it for 2x plus 60. So to get from here to here, we need to add 60. So 0 plus 60 is 60. 360 plus 60 is 420. Lovely. So our top bound now then is 420. So then step 2, use the inverse trig function to find our principal. So the first thing we're going to do is take our inverse sine. Just chuck that into our calculator. Inverse sine of 0.3 gives me that 2x plus 60 equals, I'm going to just leave myself a bit more space actually, because I'm going to be taking multiple solutions. This is to one decimal place. So I know that 2x plus 60 equals 17.5, but I also know that I need to actually be in the bound 60 to 420, so that isn't actually going to be an answer. Now if I'm doing this using my cast diagram, there is my 17.5. My other solution, I've got a sign being positive, so that's here at 17.5. This is 180. So my next answer is 180 minus 17.5, which gives me 162.5. That is in my bounds for 2x plus 60. And then my next solution, one lap round would be 360. So this one is 360 plus 17.5, which is 377.5. This next value over here would be 540, and I can see that 17 away from that is going to put me past the 420. So those are my only two solutions. If I were doing that using my sine wave, I know that my solutions should only go, there's my 180, my 360, my 540, and I'm here, and I've got my first one there as 17.5, but that's not in my bounds, and so the next one is my 180 minus 17.5, and then this one here is my 360 plus 17.5. That was find all the solutions, step 3, and then finally step 4, I just need to solve for x. So I've got that 2x plus 60 equals 162.5 and 377.5. Well, I just solved this like a normal equation now, so the first thing I need to do is take away the 60 from both of the answers to give me 2x. So I've got 102.5 and 317.5, and then the last step is to divide by that 2, which gives me values of x of 102.5 divided by 2, 51.25, and 317.5 divided by 2, 158.75, and then always just go back to your original bounds, which were x is between 0 and 80, check that everything is all good, which it is. So we have finished. Hope that helped.